If you're trying to grow a band and you're still relying on, social media, you're leaving a ton of opportunity on the table. Your band isn't some generic small business that can get away with a cookie cutter website, right? You need a place that can show off your music, promote your shows, sell your merch, and actually capture fans instead of just hoping an algorithm plays nice. Without a solid website, promoters can't take you seriously, fans don't know where to find you next, and you're probably losing merch and ticket sales every single month. Your site should make it stupid easy to hear your latest tracks, join your email list, buy something, and see where you're playing next. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which website builder is the best fit for your band. And if you skip around or click away, chances are that you'll keep guessing and keep losing momentum to bands that have already figured this out. So let's go ahead and get started. So a band website isn't just a digital business card, right? It's your home base for everything you do. You're juggling audio, video, show dates, merch, fan signups, maybe even press kits for venues and labels. And most generic, small business templates just don't handle that mix very well. And you can't just throw your logo on a basic template and call it a day either, because your site has to feel like your sound, your vibe, and your live show all rolled into one. And on top of that, you need a builder that makes it easy to update tour dates or release pages without waiting on a developer every time. Now, before we move forward here, I have to say, if you're like me and you just don't have the time to research dozens of website builders and you just want the best option for roughly 99% of bands out there, go ahead and click on this link right up here to try it for free with the absolute best pricing offer that I could find if you decide to upgrade later. Now, no pressure to click that link, of course, but it is there throughout the video if you need it. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and start with the website builder that works best for most bands and see why it might be the right move for you. So Wix is the best overall option for most bands because it gives you a ton of creative control without making you feel like you need to be a designer or a developer to launch something that actually looks legit. Now, if you're in a band that wants a visually strong site with embedded music, video, show dates, and a simple way to sell merch, Wix checks almost every single box. You can drag and drop sections, plug in your Spotify or SoundCloud, and build pages for albums, press kits, and tour schedules without spending hours learning some complicated system. Now, one of the biggest reasons that bands really like Wix is how easy it is to keep the site updated as things change. You can add a new show, swap out photos from your latest gig, or feature a new single in just a few clicks. And there are templates that already feel like they're built for musicians, so you're not, starting from a boring corporate layout and trying to force it to work for your band's brand. Now, the main limitation is that if you want extremely advanced custom coding or, super complex features, Wix isn't as flexible as a fully custom site, but for most bands, that's overkill anyway. Pricing is pretty reasonable. You can start for free to experiment with different designs and then move into a paid plan when you're ready for your own domain and more serious features. Now, again, if you want to check out Wix for yourself by creating a completely free account, you can click right up here to sign up and learn more about how they can help you. And if you're, sitting there wondering whether there's a cleaner, more, minimal option that focuses heavily on visuals and branding, well, the next platform might be exactly what you're looking for instead. Squarespace is a great fit for bands that really care about a clean, polished, visual-first look, especially if your style leans more, artsy, indie, or modern, and you want your site to feel like a curated experience. It's best for bands that don't need a ton of complex features, but want their photos, album art, and videos to really shine. Squarespace has beautiful templates right out of the box, so if you upload strong visuals, your site can look like it was built by a pro designer, even if you set it up on a Saturday afternoon. Now, bands like Squarespace because it's really straightforward and it's consistent. You can build pages for albums, embed music and video, publish a simple tour page, and even sell some merch. Now, the trade-off is that it's usually not as flexible or customizable as Wix. When you want to, really tweak every little detail, Squarespace can feel a little bit more locked down. Now, for most bands, Wix offers more features and more layout freedom, especially as you grow and want to add more sections or experiment with new ideas. Squarespace, they tend to sit in a similar pricing range to Wix with, different tiers depending on whether you're just running a basic site or adding e-commerce for merch. Now, if you want to check out Squarespace for yourself, there is a link in the description below, which will lead you to a special limited time offer that they're running right now for new customers. But if you're a little bit more budget conscious and more comfortable with technology and altering things yourself, well, then the next option might be even better for you. Hostinger is a solid choice for bands that really want more control over their site's long-term growth and care about keeping their costs low, especially in the early stages. It's best for groups that are okay with a slightly more hands-on approach and really like the idea of pairing affordable hosting with a website builder or even a content management system down the road. Now, Hostinger, they offer their own website builder that's pretty user-friendly, plus the option to run something like WordPress if you want to expand into more advanced features later. Bands tend to like Hostinger because it's cost-effective and it's performance-focused. You can build a pretty decent site, host your media, and scale things up as you grow your audience and your store. The strengths here are affordability, speed, and flexibility, especially if you're thinking long-term and don't want to be locked into just one ecosystem forever. Now, the downside is that it's not as instantly polished as musicians for Wix or Squarespace, and there can be a bit more of a learning curve as well if you go beyond the basic builder. Pricing is usually lower than many other options out there, especially on the introductory plans, which is why it's attractive if your budgets are tight. So if Hostinger sounds like it might be the best fit for you, go ahead and check out the link in the description below, which will entitle you to a special deal that they're running right now for new customers. And if you're still not totally convinced about any of these platforms yet, and you're kind of thinking, okay, but what exactly should I be judging them on, right? The next part here will give you a clear checklist so you know exactly what to look for before you decide. When you're choosing a website builder for your band, there are a few key things that you really want to pay attention to so you don't end up rebuilding everything 6 months down the road. So first, look at how easy it is to embed your music and video. If it's a pain to showcase your tracks, your YouTube videos, or live session clips, fans are going to bounce before they ever hear what you sound like. Second, check how the platform handles event dates and tour dates. You want to be able to quickly update shows, link to ticket sites, and highlight upcoming gigs without having to dig through confusing dashboards every time that you book a new venue. Third, think about merch and monetization. So even if you don't have a huge catalog yet, that's fine. Make sure the builder can support a simple store for shirts, vinyl, or digital downloads, and then it's easy for fans to actually check it out. Fourth, pay attention to design flexibility. So, can you make the site feel like your band, not just another generic template? Strong visuals and layout options, they really help you stand out to promoters and fans. And fifth, consider mobile performance because most people will discover or check you out on their phone, not a desktop. And finally, look at how simple it is to update content yourself. So if every little change feels like a chore, well, you're not going to keep things fresh, and a stale site can make even a great band look inactive. But at the end of the day, Wix really is the best overall option for most bands because it gives you the right mix of creative control, musician-friendly features, and ease of use without forcing you into tech headaches or really boring corporate-looking designs. So if you're struggling with, not having a central place to send fans, feeling a little bit embarrassed by an outdated site, or you're just constantly relying on social media posts that pretty much disappear in the feed, Wix is one of the simplest ways to fix that. You can create pages for your music, your gigs, merch, and an email list all in one place. And again, you can click right up here to create a free account and start experimenting with it today. Now, if you have any questions for me, or you're a little bit confused about, what's best for your particular band, just drop me a comment below and I'll do my absolute best to help you out as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.